Hey everyone, it's Bella from mergerdata.com. In the last video, I showed you how to export data from HubSpot, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to import data into HubSpot. So here I am just on my HubSpot account, and I'm going to go to this left-hand menu over here and go to the object that I want to import data into. So for this example, I'm going to import contacts. And then I'm going to go to the import button in the top right-hand corner. And I'm going to select start and import. And then for this example, I'm going to import a file from my computer. It's a CSV file, but HubSpot allows you to choose from these two other options as well. So this is where you can decide what kind of data is in your file. In my example file, I have contact data, but you can select which kind of data you have. And then also activities. So if your data includes companies and meetings or companies and notes, you can check those boxes here. Here's where you upload your files. So I'm going to choose my file. So I've uploaded my CSV file here, and now I can choose how to import the contacts. I can either create and update contacts, create new contacts only, or only update existing contacts. So for this example, I'm going to create and update contacts, but it will be different for whatever kind of import you want to do. So just make sure you're taking note of which one you're selecting here. On this page, you're going to map the columns in your file to properties that you have in HubSpot. And HubSpot will automatically detect some of these. So first name, it automatically detected, but for ID, it did not. So you can go through and let's say maybe I wanted ID to be associated with a different kind of property that I have here. It just kind of depends on what your properties look like and what kind of data you're importing. If you didn't have a property here, so let's say that I wanted to create a property of ID, you can go create new property, and then you can create a new property here without having to exit the page. As you're mapping your columns, HubSpot will automatically tell you if any errors are found, and it scans the first 1,000 rows of data. So if an error was found, it will show you how many errors are found on the top here. It'll also tell you which row here has the error, and then it will come up with a pop-up message that will tell you exactly what error it is and how to fix it. For example purposes, I'm just going to not import ID, and I'm going to click next. So here you can review the final details of your import. You can create a list here if you would like, and you can also set these contacts as marketing contacts. And it'll also tell you the properties in your import that were used. So there were 4 workflows and 2 lists. And then once you have reviewed all the final details, you could click Finish Import, and then it will import your data into HubSpot. It may take longer depending on how much data you're importing, but you will get a message from HubSpot when your import is done.